Okay, folks, this is Barefoot Grandpa and Roxy. Another video today. We're going to do another open box on this water purifier from Itehil, and it should be fun. Uh, Roxy loves these treats, and here, high five, sit, shake, ha ha ha. Other shake, yeah, good. Sit pretty. Okay, really love these things. Okay, one more. Okay, all right. So now we're going to do an open box and look through this water purifier from Itehil, and I think it's going to be a pretty nice tool. We will start with the open box. And here we go. So open her up. We're going to pull out the filter gizmo and the accessories box. Put this down here. And this goes back in the box. So pretty compact. Oh, there's in and out. What's this? I don't know. We're going to have to look at the instructions. What do we got here? Oh, that's where the filters go, I imagine. So look, we've got intake. Let's just open it up and see what we've got. Ooh. Okay, we've got water hose, probably the clean water. We've got a filter, RO, reverse osmosis filter, and a hybrid filter. Okay, pretty sure these go in here. Let's pop this off. Close, open, and the hybrid filter. Cool. What do we got here? Oh, we got a nice carry case for the thing. That's awesome. What's in here? Oh, we've got, oh, this is probably the input hose, I'll betcha. And that's it for in here. Oh, we've got a charging cable. And I don't know what this thing's for. And we've got instructions. All right, handle, filter cover, drinking water outlet, domestic water outlet. Oh, interesting. Warning, direct water filtered is recommended for drinking water, while concentrated water is recommended for domestic water, washing, cleaning. So it looks like we can get both drinking water and what they call domestic water for washing and cleaning. And it'll be interesting to see how this thing works. I've seen some videos of them cleaning some pretty scuzzy water out of with this, and we'll see. Looks like a pretty good deal. So we've got the control panel. We've got the drinking water outlet, and then a domestic water outlet, and the input hose. So we will charge this thing up and then give it a run. And I've got a bucket full of Roxy's drink water, and we'll use that as a sample. So we'll get started charging, and we will be back later. Okay, Barefoot Grandpa here, and we're going to continue with the Itehil water filter setup. And here we go. I got her all charged up. Now we've got to put in the filters. This is a hybrid filter, and that goes here where it says hybrid. And how's it go in? Oh, there we go. There's a handy dandy wrench here. I don't know what that was for. I guess that's snug. And Here's the reverse osmosis. And oh, there we go. You got to push down and then get it tight. Okay, that makes sense. There we go. Now we'll give it a little more snug. That's about all she'll do. Okay. Then this side is the input water. So where do we go? Oh, that's the output. There we go. This screws in here like that. Yeah, pretty easy. Does it turn? No, we got to turn the whole thing. That could use actually a pivoting screw, but it goes in all right. Okay, so that's nice and snug. Not sure what that thing is. And we're going to bring this around, and I've got Roxy's water bucket. We're not out in the boonies here, but I don't think Roxy will mind. So we're going to drop that in there. And now on this side, we've got blue for dishwater. I just could have opened that up first. And that goes right in here. Oh, pretty snug, nice. And then white for the RO, reverse osmosis water. Yeah, that thing wound up really good. Come on. There we go. Definitely see, this was not practiced ahead of time. Stick it in. Oh, nice and snug. Okay, we're gonna put that one in there. That's gonna stay. It's a little cold out here. I'm probably gonna have to hold those by hand. The blue one's longer. Now we're gonna see what happens when we turn it on. Anything else I need to know? Please insert the pipe in the water outlet and press the ring of water outlet if you want. Okay. So hold more than 3 seconds, short press for long. Well, let's see what we got here. It's starting up. It's quiet. Turn on short press for less. When using for the first time, the product will self-clean for about 35 minutes, which is a normal self-cleaning phenomenon. Every time you use a product after that, it will flush the filter for 30 seconds. So it looks like we've got some time for this thing to run before it actually starts to filter water. So let's hold off on this for a bit. So it looks like it's taken some time for it to charge the filters and get water to run through. We'll just let it run for a while. It did start drawing water through the main input pipe, and we'll see how long it takes to charge up those filters and get water starting to come out. And you see it's starting to get a little dark. Okay, it took about 10 minutes for it to actually run through the filter and start pumping water. And now we're doing it. So we've got cleaned carbon filtered water here, which in this case is probably just fine to drink. But they say this is for washing dishes and doing whatever else you want. This is carbon filtered, kind of like a Brita. And this one here is reverse osmosis. So that's coming out as pure and clean as possibly can be. And it's filling up this here milk bottle pretty quickly. So yeah, I'm thinking this thing's pretty awesome. I think it's going to be a nice addition to the kit. You get quite a few, I think 350 gallons through the reverse osmosis and quite a few more through the carbon filter. And so anyway, Itehil, I think this is going to be a pretty cool ad. We'll see how long the battery lasts. But overall, I think a pretty fun thing. Okay, folks, this is Barefoot Grandpa, and time to finish up my open box of the Itehil Water Purifier. Ran out of light the other night, and so I'm kind of impressed. This thing works pretty fast. It emptied that bucket really quickly, and we end up with reverse osmosis water and then dishwater or clean. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed. I might find a way to make a little more flexible tube here. And what I did notice is for charging, you need a 5-volt adapter, not the 10 or 20 volt adapters. But it's charging up now and running good. So Itehil, good product, and fun. And like I said, it's going to be a good addition to our kit. Not real sure how long the battery lasts. It did run down while it was sitting in the garage for the last week, but it is easy to charge up, and I'll see how the battery works more as we use it. So, Itehil, cool product. Thank you for sending it. Glad to be able to review it, and I will take this out camping and actually get it tested on some nastier water out in the wild rather than just Roxy's water bucket here. So, so for today, this is it from Barefoot Grandpa. Enjoy the wild, leave no trace, be good humans. It's important now, even more than ever, to be good humans. Thanks, and more later.